In this lesson, you will learn about different licensing options and configure your software license. There are different ways to license your software. Maptek Account Licensing, plug a USB key or dongle into your computer, or access a floating license hosted on your site server. No matter which license type you have, you will choose your license on the Workbench homepage. If you know which type of license your company has, you can click a license type from the table of contents on this video to skip to information about your license type. If your company has chosen Maptek Account Licensing, you may sign into your Maptek account to access your license. Maptek Account is different than Maptek Account Licensing. It is possible for you to have a Maptek Account login, but not have access to a Maptek Account license. To get started, select the Maptek Account License tool. Select the licensing configuration that contains the set of tools you require. After you choose your configuration, you can choose to add additional tools to your session. You can click here to add all available tools. A floating license hosts on a server at your company. There are a set number of license seats that are shared across several employees. To nominate a floating license, select Vulcan Local License. You need to tell Workbench where to find your license. Enter your server name and click Refresh. Depending on the configuration at your site, your server name may require a port. If you do not know what to enter, speak to your manager or IT department. You can pick your base package and any add-ons you require. Your site licenses drive your available choices. Each package contains a different set of tools. If you do not know which package to pick, speak with your manager or a coworker. The Available column displays the total number of server licenses. Although all employees can share a pool of server licenses, 2 employees cannot share a single license at the same time. When you are using a license, no one else can access that license. You can click Feature Usage to determine who is using a license. After you choose a license package and click OK, none of your coworkers will have access to the license you choose for the duration of your Vulcan session. To use a dongle license, you will need a USB key, also known as a dongle, and a license file. You will plug the USB into an available port on your computer and path to a license file. Insert the dongle into a USB port on your computer. The USB may take a moment to locate the driver. You should see a light on your USB key when the USB pairs with the driver. If you do not see a light on your USB, contact your local Maptek office for support assistance. Before you select the license, place the license file Maptek provided on your computer. To ensure it is easy to find the license file and protect the file from accidental deletion, you may want to create a special folder for the license file on your C drive. After your dongle is active in a USB port and you have a license file on your computer, launch Workbench so you can configure your license. Select Vulcan Local License. Browse to the location of your license. Select your file and click Open. Choose your base package and any available add-ons. Not every license will include add-ons. You can click OK to license Vulcan. After you choose your Vulcan license, you are ready to open your project with Vulcan.